Yeah, mommy go.
Wait.
Queenie, Queenie, show your gymnastics. Okay, take off your shoe. Ella, you wanna dance? Whoa, you're pretty good now. Whoa, whoa. Your milk? Where's your cup?
Taylor, what did you do to my cup? Grandpa, lend this. I didn't get it. I go, like, when I do color, I'll go left.
Whoa. Go, Ella.
I did it.
Go, Ella. Whoa.
Mommy, I didn't do it. You did. I can't find it.
Yeah. Grandma throw away.
No, you can drop it in
Yeah.
the ground.
Give it to me.
We go get a new one.